Okay, so we have two circuits coming into this box here. They're on opposite legs of the 240, and we have two wires going out for two different lights. So I'm gonna just rip the end here a little bit. I like to use the flush cutters here so I get a nice clean cut on the end of the wires. And we will remove all the junk. So from the power source coming in, we'll strip our wires. We'll strip our ends here. We get nice and straight. Okay, I'm going to separate these wires here, make sure they're not touching anything, and I'll go turn the power on. And I want to show you how we have 220 volts here in the country I'm born in. Okay, so we have 120 between the red and the white, 120 between the black and the white, and we have 240 between the red and the black. And I used this digital multimeter here. I put it on 300 volts because that's the lowest that's above the 240. So I'll go turn the power off again. And we will wire our devices up. So we have we're going to put our outlet on the red. So we're going to open a screw here. Now this is the type of an outlet where you put the wire in under the pressure plate and you tighten the screw and it tightens down on the wire. So the outlet is going to be on the red. That's just the perfect strip length. I want to make sure it's straight so that it grabs good. Okay, now over here we're going to put the white on the silver side. See, I have a little more copper sticking out there than I like, so I'm going to take a little off of that. Okay, so now we have our power to the outlet. Okay, so now we have to have a white wire to go to the neutral to go to the switches. So I'm going to just strip off about a ½ inch there. Okay, so I stripped it so it's straight. I put it in. I make sure just a little copper is showing at the bottom, and I push it in, and see how the copper goes all the way up to the end? That's what you want. You don't want any copper showing down here. Okay, so I put this one in here. And I have it stripped just long enough so that I don't want any of the insulation under that plate there. So I'll push this white wire into this one, and I'll push this other white wire into this one. Okay, now we have our ground wires. So what we've got to do here is this is going to go in here like this. We're going to go around the outlet here. I'm going to make a little kink here so I can close the loop. Okay, now this is going to be the power to the switch is going to go over here where there's the link between the two. So we're going to put the black on this side. And we'll come over here and we will put our other black wires. Okay, so we'll bring our ground wire over to this one. I'll take my needle nose, I'll make my little kink here so I can close the loop. And now we can put our ground wires all together. When I fold this into the box, I'd make sure that the ground wires stay up across the top here so they don't touch anything and short out. So I'll bring the camera down and let you take a closer look at it. Okay, so you can see how the push-in connections are made. You can see the load side of the switch here, and the ground is on the green screw, and the power is coming in on this side, and it goes in, and it goes out the two switch sides, one to this light, and this one goes to the other light, and the power to the outlet is on the red, and the white is bonded together, and that is on a separate circuit, and that's why you have there is 240 in this box. So the outlet is on one circuit, the two lights are on the other circuit, and when you do that, both circuits have to be on opposite legs of the 240 so that you don't overload the neutral going back. Peace. Thanks for watching.